A journey through the world's famous tea regions. Tea is the world's most popular beverage, enjoyed by millions daily. But did you know that the flavor and aroma of tea can differ significantly depending on where it's grown? We'll explore some of the most famous tea regions and the unique teas they produce. Let's start in China. China is the birthplace of tea, with a long and rich history of cultivation. China's famous teas include green, black, oolong, and pu-erh tea, each with its distinct flavor and aroma. Next, we'll travel to India, the second largest tea producer in the world. Indian tea is renowned for its bold and robust flavor, with famous regions like Darjeeling and Assam. Japan is famous for producing some of the world's finest green teas, such as matcha, sencha, gyokuro, and hojicha. These teas have a delicate and subtle flavor and aroma. Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, is a major tea-producing country worldwide. Ceylon tea is known for its bright and bold flavor, grown in regions such as Nuwara Eliya, Kandy, and Uva. Taiwan is a famous tea region that produces some of the world's most highly regarded teas, including high mountain oolongs and black, green, and white tea. Grown in areas such as Nantou, Alishan, and Lagoo. Lastly, we'll explore Thailand, a relatively new player in the world of tea production. Thailand's unique growing conditions have produced unique and flavorful teas like oolong, green, and herbal infusions. Join us to discover tea's unique flavors and aromas worldwide. Thanks for joining our journey.